All right, so here we are taking our bow fishing to the next level. Cody and I put a boat in the water today, and we are going after the carp on the boat on my little USS Minnow. We're gonna hunt carp from the water. Keep you posted. Love this stuff. Over his back. There's Cody, guys, bringing in a fish. No, almost knocked him off.
Almost a miss.
Nice shot. The arrow. Wow. He's a big one too. Folks, I don't know if you can see this stuff. That's a big fish. Where'd he go?
Get him?
I don't know. Yeah. I got him, bro. Here, bro. At the time I shot this fish, I knew it was a big carp. I just didn't realize it was 12 pounds and 7 ounces. And when you're reeling that in on a bow, that's some tough work. He ain't ready. All right, day 3 of Cody and I's bow fishing, and we scored 8 today. 8 bad boys, the biggest being what, Cody? 12. All right, so Cody and I were out today on the boat, and we scored 8 fish today. Great shooting by Cody today, and I just want to thank him because if it wasn't for Cody, none of this would have happened.
That was a good time.
It's an awesome time. You guys got to get out and try this. Help control the invasive carp. Have a good day.